Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a Jupiter Red. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. An ash MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our CLA 250 badging, set of all season and a brand new set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, Distronic Plus. Also included is our Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This one does come with the multimedia package as well. Gives you navigation with command. A rear view backup camera. A nice black wood trim. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Turn wheel for our infotainment center. This CLA 250 has 40,041 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.